the chicken breast for now, and then there's the soup part. I strain it, and I have the onion. But anyway, the one I boiled, guys, I'm gonna put this. This is the hard to hold. Okay. I'm using this no yolk macaroni dumpling. And I add some salt and little olive oil in this one. So I think you need to boil this like 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put my alarm up there here. So I need to tear some chicken breast so that I can use for soup later in here. And I'm using the liquid in here. And I think I want to make like a chicken strip, so I'm gonna slice it later and put some coating, put some breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs or something. I did not make I think I'm not gonna make a french fries right now, because I'm just gonna cook this. I'm gonna eat with rice anyway.